f of 1 is 1, f of n is 3n minus f of n minus 1 for all integers n greater than 1, then the value of f of 2023 is fine. So let's do this. In typical fashion, we'll put f of 1 is 1. We'll say f of 2, 2 into 3, 6 minus 1, which is fine. F of 3 is 3 into 3, 9 minus 5, which is 4. F of 4, 4 into 3, 12 minus 4, which is 8. Subtract this number. F of 5 is 15 minus 8, which is 7. F of 6 is 18 minus 7, which is 11. Excuse me. Wonderful sequence. We've got a bunch of numbers. Now we say, hey, is there a possibility that we can carve something out of this? 1, 5, 4, 8, 7, 11. A nice sequence. I would have been very happy. It's not. 1 goes up to 5, comes back to 4. Goes up to 8, comes back to 7. Goes up to 11, maybe it will come back to 10. Yes, 21 minus 11 is 10. So, plus 4 minus 1, plus 4 minus 1, plus 4 minus 1 is what's happening. 4 minus 1 is 3. Another way of thinking about it is from here, you can say 1, 4, 7, 10. That's a sequence. 5, 8, 11, 14. That's another sequence. Both of these sequences are arithmetic progressions. This one has an arithmetic progression, first term 1, common difference 3. This is first term 5, common difference 3. That's it, we are through. Now we need to find F 2023. F 2023 will be part of this sequence, the odd term sequence, F1, 3, 5, 7, 9, that sequence. So we say, hey, f of 1, f of 3, f of 5, f of 7, f of 2023 is an AP. This term is 1, 4, 7, 10. What is this term? If you write down odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, what is the nth term for F 2023? If I call this as the first term, this is the second term, the third term, the fourth term, this is the nth term. This is 2 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 8 minus 1, or nth term equals 2n minus 1, which is 2023, or 2n is 2024, n is 1012. Nth term of this AP, where n is 1012, is a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 1, n minus 1 is 1011, common difference is 3. This is our answer. 1011 into 3 is 3033, plus 1, 3034. Excellent question. Write down few terms, see if there is a pattern, carve out the pattern, extract the arithmetic progression, find which term corresponds to F 2023, plug in Tn equals a plus n minus 1 into d, simplify that.